Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons butter. 1/2 cup chicken broth. 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice. 1/4 cup grated Romano cheese. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, optional. Instructions. 1. Start by pounding the chicken breasts to an even thickness, about 1/2 inch, using a meat mallet or the bottom of a heavy skillet. Season both sides of the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. 2. Dredge the chicken breasts in flour, shaking off any excess. 3. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil and butter over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken breasts and cook for about 3–4 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 4. Remove the cooked chicken from the skillet and set aside on a plate. 5. In the same skillet, add the minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds, or until fragrant. 6. Pour in the chicken broth and lemon juice, stirring to combine. Let it simmer for a few minutes to reduce slightly. 7. Add the grated Romano cheese to the skillet, stirring until it's well incorporated and the sauce has thickened. 8. Return the cooked chicken breasts to the skillet and spoon some of the sauce over them. Cook for an additional minute or 2 to warm the chicken through. 9. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley, if desired. 10. Serve the lemon chicken Romano hot, with extra sauce spooned over the top. Enjoy your delicious lemon chicken Romano.